Yo, what's up and welcome back to Pixelize Me. Today, we are searching for that Umbreon. Hopefully we can get one. Maybe even a god pack, who knows. A little over 90% with this set. Going to master it. Just need a few more of the SARs, the Umbreon obviously. Have the Sylveon, Espeon, all the other ones. But I do need the Jolteon and the Umbreon. Ooh, nice EX. Very nice. Beautiful. And Pokeball. Very nice. Alright. Don't have that one. Good stuff. Not a Master Ball, but it's still a good Pokeball. Alright, stay blessed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.